Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever stared at Canva and thought, how on earth do I make a really thin rectangle or just draw a basic box, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through step by step how to create a thin rectangle or a simple box in Canva, even if you've never used custom sizes or shapes before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make precise shapes for any project, whether you're designing graphics for social media, a flyer, or even just sprucing up a presentation. Alright, let's get started. First things first, you want to head over to Canva. Just open up your browser and go to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, it's quick and easy to set one up, and if you're already logged in, you'll see the main dashboard right away. Next, look towards the top right where it says Create a Design. Go ahead and click that. Now this is where the magic starts. Instead of picking one of Canva's preset sizes, click Custom Size. For a thin rectangle, you'll want to type in 100 pixels wide by 50 pixels high. You can switch the units if yours isn't set to pixels, just make sure it's px so the proportions are exact. Setting your own size is really helpful, especially if you have a specific space to fill, like a web banner or a label where every pixel counts. Once you hit Create New Design, Canva will open up a blank canvas with the exact dimensions you chose. It might look small, but remember you can always zoom in to work more easily. Just use the zoom slider at the bottom corner. Don't worry if your canvas seems tiny, this is just the starting frame for your rectangle or box. Now let's bring in the shapes. On the left-hand menu you'll see a section called Elements. Click on Elements and scroll a little bit until you find the Shapes category. Here you'll usually see squares and rectangles right away. Click on the rectangle shape to add it to your canvas. If you want a perfect box, go with the square. But for a thin rectangle, pick the rectangle and then stretch or shrink it by clicking and dragging the side handles until it fits your desired look. You can also use the size bar at the top to type in exact dimensions. For instance, if you want it even thinner, you might make it 100 by 10 pixels. Play around a bit to see what works for your design. This is the creative part. If you want a little more control over the look, say you want the rectangle to have a border and no fill, or you prefer super thin lines, here another trick. Under the Elements tab, search for Line and see what comes up. You can grab 4 straight lines and arrange them at the edges of your canvas to form a custom rectangle or square. It's a bit like building a picture frame. This method is especially handy if you want a box outline, not a filled shape. Don't worry if your lines aren't perfectly connected at first. Just zoom in and use Canva's alignment guides to snap everything into place. And that's all there is to it. Whether you use a rectangle shape or piece together lines, you've now created a thin rectangle or box in Canva that you can resize, recolor, or copy for any project you like. If any part of this felt tricky, take your time and remember, Canva lets you undo or tweak anything until it looks just right. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Canva trick you'd like to see. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy hands-on design tutorials. See you next time.